Bird.
You stupid.
Bro, it's trying to get in the window.
Stupid.
Stupid.
Stupid bird. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Inside the window. Bro, look at look. Stupid.
Stupid bird.
Oh, shit. This thing gonna die or something.
Bro, we should go out there and freaking.
He's like freaking stupid. You freaking idiot.
Oh. It's trying to attack us through the window.
You freaking.
Solo fast.
Come on, little bitch. Come on, little bitch. Hey, little bitch. What's up, dude?
He's like, oh, he's so fat. Oh.
Bro.
He's mad, isn't he? He's like, no, freaking back to my life ball.
Follow my finger.
Yeah.
Follow my finger.
Bro.
He's an idiot. Fly away, you dummy.
Go away.
With your bean head. Your hairline go back to 9/11.
Walmart prices.
Yeah.
Emergency scooter brake chair hitter.
You little. It looks like a freaking ugly thing.
I want to go out there and freaking get up on top of that thing and.
It's gonna attack you. It has rabies. It's just trying to attack us for no reason.
You want crack? Huh? You want crack? Huh? Huh?
Hey, we got a messed up flat screen TV with an ugly bird in it. I would like to report child abuse. He's trying to come in here and abuse my kids.
It's over, you idiot.
My life is over looking at this bird trying to get in here. It's probably cold out there, but I don't care. It's trying to attack us. Anyway, looks like a woodpecker with his long nose. Our beak.
We're freaking ugly.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, attack
It needs
somebody.
to stop.
Oh my god.
He's like,
Is it gonna die? Oh my god.
Yes, I hope it does.
Now move, bruh. This thing is remedial.
Yeah.
Man, this is a retarded bird. The most retardedest bird. The #1 movie in America. The most retardedest bird. Retarded is the word. I'm sorry, people.
you're like a freaking idiot. Like, he's like,
Fly away the other way.
yeah, in the window and die.
He's cold.
But I bet he'll keep doing this and doing this until he dies. Already?
I don't care.
This is
Hey,
like a
bird.
freaking idiot.
The heck? Hold on, watch out.
Freaking. So fat and ugly.
Oh my god! It's trying to
Oh my god! You went out the other window! You went all the way
Talking about some all the way up. This bird is like trying to attack us. It's pecking out the window and flying at us. Been here for 3 minutes now.
Almost 4. 4 now.
Dang, how you get this bird off? Man. Can't get nothing. Where'd that boy go with my hoverboard? But I don't know.
To the basement.
I don't get him.
Hey, get off.
There he is.
Get off.
He's right
Get off. You need to go away from my house. In the living stock. I'm watching TV. Where the remote? Hey, where? Oh.
Yeah! Yeah, force it!
Yeah!
Yeah, force it, boy!
It's not going away.
You're like a freaking idiot.
I'm surprised it hasn't gotten a concussion or something. It's dead. Honestly. See that real quick? That's it.
Oh, what a freaking
Get
idiot!
on it real quick. Watch out.
I'm finna write it real quick, bro.
I just got on it though.
No, you didn't.
Anyway. Yeah, he's so ugly.
He's so ugly, he lowered the prices of Walmart. He's so ugly, he burned down the whole Walmart in one hit.
What if you go out there? I dare you to go out there and just look at it.
Like shoot
Bird
my BB
is
gun.
off the chain.
It's like shooting my BB gun. It's like